Yes, so today's session, it's a moderator, it is Dr. Gurudev Chandrasekhar. So I just hand over to Gurudev. You can start here.
Thank you, ma'am. It's a great responsibility madam is handing over.
It's not a responsibility.
It's a great responsibility madam is handing over.
No, you should take it as a pleasure only. Don't take it as a responsibility. Okay, start. Now it is 9:05. Okay, only.
I hope students this class have come with some preparation to help me. Okay. So last class, madam had told that you people should be prepared on your own with the list. So can I expect the list to come forward? Who is going to present the list first? Last time there was a representative, student representative. This time it will be the same person or any other person?
No, he's the class rep, Ajnas. Ajnas and Priyanka Kumawal. Those two people you can ask.
Okay, they are the class
Ajnas and
representatives.
Priyanka. They are the class reps.
Ajnas, so have you people, first of all, are you there, Ajnas?
Yes, he's there.
Yeah. So have you people worked on the list?
Yes, sir. The list is with Priyanka.
Okay, so are you people giving some list, skits or songs or music preparation? Someone had a guitar, but he had not had the instrument. Okay. Then please start. First presentation. Who is it?
For song.
So what is she going to perform?
She will sing the song.
Okay, Sri Lakshmi, come on. All of you give her a good warm welcome, early morning welcome, so that you also brush up in the cold. So give her claps, a round of applause first to begin with. Starting with me. Yes, I am not hearing anything. All of you unmute your microphones and give her a round of applause. Yeah, come on. Okay, Sri Lakshmi, you can start.
Yes, sir.
First, the presenters always have to unlock the video. We have to see you. Unlock the video and then start.
Sir, if I unlock the video, the network connection will be lost.
Gurudev, she can show her face after her singing. Okay. Gurudev.
Okay, fine. No problem.
Okay.
No problem. You can close it and then you can sing. Start.
നടക്കും ചോലക്കൊയിലിനു കല്യാണം ആരിൻ കൊമ്പത്തന്തിയുറങ്ങണൊരുലെ ഞാൻ ആറ്റിലൊളിച്ചു കളിക്കണ മീനെ കാട്ടിക്കുറുങ്കുഴലൂതട കാറ്റ് ആറ്റിലൊളിച്ചു കളിക്കണ മീനെ കാട്ടുകുഴലൂതെ കാൽത്തള കെട്ടി കൈവള ചാർത്തി കല്യാണത്തിന് കൂടേണ്ടേയോ ചൂളമടിച്ചു കറങ്ങി നടക്കും ചോലക്കൊയിലിനു കല്യാണം That's all, sir.
Gurudev, it's over.
Very short one.
That was
but I heard this, the tune of this song. First of all, let us clap her. This was a nice one. Okay, the tune, even though it was short, it was a nice one. Okay.
That was from Summer in Bethlehem. isn't it? Sri Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, the song is the remake.
Oh, okay, okay.
Uh,
So nice, nice, Sri Lakshmi. It was nice to hear a fresh voice.
Thank you, sir.
But this somehow
Thank you, sir.
resembled the tune of an Indian movie, Kamal Hassan Indian movie. So I don't know the song, but if you any one of you can remember that, you can sing it. Same tune. Something it goes. It starts like that. The first opening song of it. I hope Sri Lakshmi, have you seen Indian movie Kamal Hassan?
No, sir. I don't know which movie is
Don't
mentioned.
know. Oh, today itself
No,
you need
sir.
to log in today itself. Okay, I promise you today itself you need to log into that movie. I think it might be freely available by this time. It is a more than 25-year-old movie. Okay, so it was a nice movie, classic
Yes, sir.
music and against corruption. So and martial arts. More than anything, it has martial arts in it, martial arts and corruption, and wonderful, fantastic movie, fantastic songs. Okay, so the opening song of the movie resembles the tune what you have sung, so that you don't have to practice much. The same tune you can repeat the next class, next ECA. Okay, you will see the movie and then you will repeat the song. Is that a promise?
Yes,
It is easy because you know the tune.
yes, sir.
You're-
But sir, can
Will you
you
do it?
please tell the name of that movie? Sir, can you
Indian.
please tell me the name of that movie? Indian.
Indian.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
You
sir.
you just
Yes, sir. I will watch the. Yes, sir.
Indian and then Kamal Hassan, Shankar direction,
Yes,
the first title song,
yes,
the
sir.
first song. It's not title song,
Yes, sir.
first song.
I.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. I will hear it.
Good spirit. Okay, you have taken it. You said I will do it. I like it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, nice. Ajnas, one more. I think this is what is required. You need to take up the interaction. Whatever comes at you as a challenge, you need to take it up. That shows that open mindedness in you. Okay, and you're ready to be molded, flexible. That is important. You need to be, so that what happens, you can absorb stress easily. So when you're ready to mold, when you're ready to be molded, you're ready for absorption of more stress. So stress won't be a stress for you. That's a good nature. Cultivate it. And with that comments, I think we will pass on to the next list item. Yes, Sajnas. Who is the next?
Next is Nikhil Raj for guitar.
Mr. Ajnas,
Next one
Sir,
is
unmute yourself first.
Nikhil Raj.
Unmute.
Gurudev, the list is with Priyanka and she is telling next is Nikhil Raj. He is going to play guitar. Oh, Gurudev has gone. Yes. Okay. Gurudev,
So, is that all? It was nice going on, so we thought it will continue for some more time. Huh? It was nice. It was nice. Good. First of all, I think audible claps should be there. All of you unmute your, this thing, and then clap. That is nice. It was Nikhil Raj, right?
Yes, sir.
Nikhil, see, each instrument will have certain classic hits, highlights. Okay. So, yes, whatever you have done, it is a fantastic. But, some tunes, they will remain in the memories. Say, for example, there was a movie called Sharabi. Have you heard about that movie?
Sharabi.
No, sir.
No. Okay. So it was 35, 40-year-old movie, and it was a very classical hit of Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. Hindi movie. Okay. So it was a super duper hit. So when we were kids, we saw that movie many times. So in one of the song, he will be waiting for his lover. So in one of the song, the starting tune is there. Inteha ho gayi. That song is like this. Note down. This is your challenge for the next class. You are going to. It's very easy for you to learn that tune. Okay.
Can
That
you
song has
say
a
name of
starting.
that song?
Sorry.
Sir, can you say that name of that song?
Yeah, I will tell that. First, you note down the movie name, Sharabi.
Sharabi. Okay, sir.
Sharabi, Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh,
Okay. And the song goes like this. इंतहा हो गई इंतजार
इंतजार
की आईना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की. So this is the song. Note down. इंतहा हो गई. So if you just type it out, it will come out. The starting tune has a beautiful guitar tune. Okay.
yes, sir. I will hear it and figure it out.
Yes, figure it out, and next class you just play it out for us. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
great, nice.
Thank you.
Okay, next item, Priyanka.
Nandita for
Hmm.
dance.
Nandita, what is she going to do?
Dance.
Dance. Oh, nice,
No,
super.
So
nice.
let me just screen share.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, I have a problem in screen sharing, sir.
Oh, what is the problem? Why happened?
Is
Yeah,
it
I hope.
Priyanka? Is it a video?
Yes, ma'am, it's a video.
Uh,
Can I ask Ajnas to screen share if it's possible?
no, okay, you can. No, if it is a
Thank
video,
you.
when you're doing screen sharing, you have to click the optimize video. There is a small box will be there in the when you do the share screen.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a
I'm
small.
actually logged in from my mobile, so it's different from.
Okay, then you can tell Ajnas to do it. Those are having a laptop, better.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are forgotten to write their name number. Please write it fast. It's only 30 minutes more.
ma'am, there's some. You can just proceed if it gets correct. I'll just do after another performance.
Ah, yes, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one, Priyanka, next one.
Govind, he will play violin.
Nice, beautiful. Yes, Govind.
Yes, sir.
No, share your video.
No, he's
Sir.
live,
Share your-
live,
Ah, yes.
live. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Beautiful. Ek, do, teen. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. Very nice. So you learned violin in your young ages?
Yes, when I was in 10th.
10th.
Yes.
Okay, so you still do practicing on and off,
No,
or
sir.
it is
Actually,
only
in 10th standard, I learned this for 6 months only.
uh,
After that, due to classes and all in plus 1 and plus 2, I couldn't continue this. So now when I get time in lockdown, I practice.
see, I'll tell you, it is one of the best stress buster. So do you feel that, whenever you practice it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you feel fresh in your mind? Does it
Sure, sir.
happen?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So it is scientifically proven. Music is a beautiful stress buster. This is for the entire class. Okay, music, arts, sports, they are all wonderful stress busters. They increase the dopamine levels. Okay, so it gives a feel good factor. So you feel fresh. So do it. Okay, so it is always, you don't have to be sticking only to the book. Yes, you have come to a professional course. Studies are very heavy, understandable, but in between, if you do it for 5-10 minutes also, it refreshes your entire mind, and then entire learning process. So continue it. So I think
Yes.
try something with your guitarist friend together. If you people can do something, that will be nice.
Yeah, we have thought about that, sir.
So next class, so that will be one item.
Yeah,
So
we'll try, sir.
along with the guitar, so violin, so both. Huh?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
class. Clap. 1 minute. Wait. Clap. It should be audible. Unmute first and then clap. Yes, very good. See, I'll tell you. I think this is a small note I want to tell you. a child, if I has to grow normally, love from the home, love from the society is very important. And balanced stress. Without stress, you can't grow up nicely. Okay, you will be a potato. Now, there should be optimum level of stress so that you nicely mold in a society for a useful item. So what happens, again, I come back to the Sharabi story. There will be a rich family, very rich family. There is no mother, only father, but father is a workaholic. So he never cares for the son. And this son is, whatever is needed is available, but a understanding person is not available in the society. So a girl comes in, and then he claps for her. That one scene is there in the auditorium. He would have bought all, she's a dancer, so he buys all the tickets of that auditorium. So she feels insulted. She feels that you are treating me as a prostitute because you have a lot of cash and you are trying to purchase my art. So this is what is the human interactions that is going on. But he just wants a understanding person. So he claps so from the heart and so loud. So if needed, you can Google out. You people are all fantastic. So Sharabi claps of Amitabh Bachchan. So you can Google out. So that way the claps should be here. Okay. The claps should be so loud. It should be coming from the heart, not for the sake of just clapping. Okay. So loud claps should come. It should be audible clearly, even for your people in the family there around. Okay. So shall we do it now once for all the this thing? Okay. Start. Loud claps. Yes. The performers should get the feeling as though they are sitting in the auditorium. Okay. Okay. Ajna's next one. Ajnas or Priyanka?
Priyanka, listen to Priyanka.
Priyanka, next one.
Nandita is trying to share the screen. So
Okay.
I want to ask one question. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Tell me.
ma'am.
The football player, the one of you is the football player, no? The best shots of Maradona, the World Cup.
Madam, please switch on your video, madam.
The video is fine, audio, sound. Ma'am,
No, yeah, video was also not visible.
oh, okay. Ma'am, unmute your microphone. Alice, madam. You are muted, madam. Yes. Now you can ask once again, madam.
The football player, you remember the best shots of Maradona in the World Cup? Somebody was a football player.
So madam is asking who is the football player in the class?
Last class, somebody said he plays football.
So who is that? Ajnas, who is that?
Ajnas himself.
Himself, huh? Okay. So Ajnas will ask you. So when the class opens, so will you train football if people are interested?
I am not that much of a footballer. I plays, that's all. I like to play.
Yeah,
That's
I am
all.
asking you.
There are
Best
many
shot
guys
of
who
Maradona. Hmm?
So madam
shot
is asking which is the best shot of Maradona.
shot. He have played very good, and there are many goals of him, which is praised very well.
Hmm?
Okay, that was one video clip which was making around, which made the World Cup goal. So that one was making rounds in the internet when he expired on that day.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, now I think we have the dance clip. So let us welcome. Who is it? Who is the Nandita, right?
Yes, sir. Abhishek is screen sharing for me.
Okay. So Nandita's dance. So let us welcome Nandita first.
Sir, it is not working.
Okay, so by next class, at
Abhishek,
least let us figure out a solution for this with some
no,
tech
one minute,
experts.
so Gurudev, 1 minute, I'll just tell you. Abhishek, can you, did you click the square, just make a tick on the square where, when you are doing the share screen, no? Hello, Abhishek, are you listening? You have to tick that column. It is optimize video clip. Then only it will be open, and you can use computer sound also. When you do the share screen, there are two boxes. And first of all, before that, first of all, you have to just start the video, just start it and minimize it. Then you do the share screen, tick the boxes for video clip, and it will be on.
Okay.
Once again, if it's not working, then leave it. First you start the video. First you start the video in your laptop, minimize it, stop it and minimize it. Then you do the share screen, tick the column for optimize video clip. Then it will be started. Ah, who is that?
That was me, ma'am. I was just trying to share.
It was like you're ready to kill.
Ayo. Ma'am, we can ask someone else to perform. I'll perform some other time.
This is who is asking? Nandita.
Hi, yes, ma'am. Rijas is sharing.
Okay then. The video is with whom now? It is with you.
It's with me. I have sent it to the class group. So
No, do you have a laptop? Do you have a laptop?
yes, ma'am. But now I have logged in from my mobile.
Okay, okay then Gurudev, we will do it later.
Ma'am, I think
Madam,
Rijas is screen sharing. Yeah, he's
No, I
screen
think
sharing.
something is coming now.
Yeah.
so just one of you who is doing, just follow some instructions from Regina ma'am, no? She's telling some instructions. So to optimize it and things like that. Okay, so I will ask one question to the class. Let her keep trying so that we hope that she will succeed. So one small question I want to ask you people. Anyone can answer. It's open for anyone. Whoever scores it, we will see. So this item has holes in the left, holes in the bottom, holes on the top, holes on the right, but it also holds good amount of water. What is it? Holes everywhere, but it holds water. What is it?
Sponge.
Sponge.
Oh, fantastic. So a lot of interesting people are there. Who told? Who are those people who told? 2, 3 voices I heard.
Safana.
Safana. Okay.
One was Safana.
Uh,
Nandita.
Nandita herself. Okay. Nandita, Safana, then? Okay.
Hamda.
Hamda. Okay. So you people play this riddles among yourselves during free time? Do you people play riddles among yourselves?
Sometimes, sir.
Ah. So what do you feel when you play? Does it give you freshness or it is just a pass of time? How do you feel when you play it?
Both, I think, sir.
Huh? Sorry? See,
Both.
both, okay. So my thought was it won't make you as fresh as a piece of music or a dance or a game for that matter. It just keeps you occupied. So that's what I thought. And most of the girls, they engage in these kind of riddles. So, what is my suggestion to you people is come out, play a game. Okay. So, it might be just whatever physical games always refresh you. Okay. So, whenever you are bored, every day, just half an hour, you come out, refresh, in the long run, it gives you the performance in your studies at a long time. I mean, if you have any kind of this hobbies, like 10th, he said he purchased the violin. After that, he did not touch it. So those kind of things which you have just kept it in deep freezer, remove them, okay, unfold them, and that helps your activities. It is scientifically proven, and that's why universities making these classes. So we are all sitting around you people just to encourage and let you know. See, to be honest, during my days, I was just sticking to books, and that's how it was a lot of stress to me. But now I remember, now I know, but that's how I, bring up my kids, give them space. So particularly girls, when you are in hostels, come out for half an hour every day. You need to play physical games. So shall that be a promise from your side, the entire class? Okay, now we have song. Okay, Nandita, start.
തങ്കക്കൊലുസല്ലേ കുറുകും കുയിലല്ലേ മാരനുമയിലല്ലേ ഹോയ് തങ്കക്കൊലുസല്ലേ കുറുകും കുയിലല്ലേ മാരനുമയിലല്ലേ जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सके रे जिया जले जा जले देखते हैं तन मेरा मन में छुपती है नजर होठ सिल जाते उनके नर्म होठों से मगर गिनती रहती हूँ मैं अपनी करवटों के सिलसिले क्या करो कैसे कहो रात कब कैसे ढले हो நெஞ்சினிலே ஊஞ்சலே நாணங்கள் என் கண்ணிலே சிவந்ததே என் மஞ்சளே நெஞ்சினிலே ஊஞ்சலே
Fantastic. Again, claps. Very good.
Oh my God.
Who was it?
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank
Claps. No. Claps was not like in the auditorium. We should get the feel like that we are in the auditorium. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Start. Very good. Claps also. Song is also very nice, and the visual is also very nice.
It is a fusion
Okay.
song.
So Nandita, I have some questions. Please come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Was it a mixture of 2-3 songs or only one
Yes,
song?
fusion song.
Fusion song, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So do you
Uh,
remember the first bit, the first piece of the song is from which movie?
First bit is a Hindi movie, Shah Rukh Khan's movie. I don't know the name.
No, that was second piece. The first piece, I think it is from Indian.
Sir, one
Y-
more song to share.
Sorry?
One more video to share, sir.
One more video to share. Okay, let us wait. It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll cover this first one. Okay.
Mm.
So this was a fusion song, a good, oh, you have only 2 minutes. So we are in a positive balance. See, very quickly we have come on a positive balance. That's nice. Yeah, fantastic class. So in 2 minutes, so next video anyway we don't have time, but we will save it as a pressure item for, I mean pleasure item for the next class. So that will be a treasure. Okay, that's a hidden treasure for us for the, and we are on a positive note, positive balance also. So see what an organization can do. Priyanka, you have done a good job. You have organized it well, and Ajnas, you have done, you have helped her nicely. The class has done overall has done a very good activity, and then no, see, you have come out with in full flying colors. So in coming days, you can add more flavors to it. So only thing is understand that these extracurricular activities, use them, blend them well with your studies, but your main focus is studies. Don't forget that. Okay. So, but don't be, allowed and don't be imbibed only in the studies. You will lose your performance. You will not be a long runner. Okay. So with that note, and wishing you all the best, I'll hand over to ma'am.
Nandita, one question. Was that dance, it was for some competition?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It was for a competition.
Did you get any prize?
No, ma'am.
Because I saw your that number tag on your
Chess number.
Okay. Okay, then it was nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then I think all of you have written your name number. So that was a wonderful session. So, okay, then we will leave. Madam, do you want to say something? Alice, madam.
Beautiful hair. Nandita's long hair.
Thank you, ma'am.
All our girls are beautiful, and the boys also, they are handsome. Okay. Okay, then we will leave. I'm going to end the meeting. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
everybody. Have a nice time.
And Gurudev, it was wonderful. Moderation was wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. 10 o'clock.